Good evening, I'm Liyana Hassanel. Welcome to Bizworld. Ferrotec USA Corporation has committed to invest more than 500 million ringgit in new investment in Malaysia to set up its first manufacturing facility in Southeast Asia. Senior Minister and Minister of International Trade and Industry, Datuk Seri Muhammad Azmin Ali, said the investment will include a manufacturing plant in Kulim High Tech Park, which construction is expected to begin in the next few weeks. Ferrotec is the global supplier of materials, components, precision systems, and a worldwide leader in quartz material fabrication for the semiconductor industry. The company is committed to generate between 250 and 500 high-skilled jobs for Malaysians, as well as to assisting small and medium enterprises in Malaysia in building the supply chain and ecosystem in the semiconductor industry. Malaysia's macroeconomic outlook is expected to improve further from the second quarter of this year, amid uncertainties from the ongoing war in Ukraine, disruptions in the global supply chain, concerns of slowdown in China, and high inflation. MIDF research noted the expected relaxation of standard operating procedure and reopening of international borders would support a continued pickup in domestic economic activities. It added that sustained growth in exports will be another factor to support growth this year. The country's GDP expanded faster at 5% year-on-year in the first quarter versus a contraction of 0.5% in first quarter of 2021. Following the economic reopening, the firm maintains its projection that GDP growth in 2022 will strengthen to 6% from 3.1% last year. Foreign investors turned net buyers again last week, with net inflows increased to 56.9 million ringgit. MIDF research said to date, international funds have been net buyers for 15 out of the 19 weeks of this year, with a total net inflow of 6.98 billion ringgit. In its weekly fund flow report, MIDF said local retailers remained net buyers for the fifth consecutive week at 234.8 million ringgit, while local institutions turned net sellers at 291.8 million ringgit last week. Local institutions have been net sellers for 16 out of 19 weeks this year. To date, they have sold 8.1 billion ringgit of equities. Industrial brush manufacturer Yuli Pacific Group aims to raise gross proceeds of 37.27 million ringgit via its initial public offering on Bursa Malaysia's ACE market. Proceeds from the IPO will mainly be used to purchase machinery and equipment, repayment of bank borrowings, and construction of new warehouse facilities and office buildings.
Moving forward, our company will be extensively diversifying our business segments to other industries, for example, like the glass industries, wood industries, E&E, and so on, as listed in the prospectus.
3.
The Perak-based company produces industrial and technical brushes for various manufacturing industries, including glove, industrial, electrical and electronic, industrial and commercial cleaning providers. For the financial year ended December 31st, 2021, 76.8% of the group's total revenue was derived locally. Tentatively, the group is scheduled to be listed on June 7th at an initial price offering of 28 cents a share. Malaysia Airlines and Qatar Airways significantly expand their codeshare cooperation to 96 combined destinations, which allows passengers to experience seamless connectivity via their leading hubs in Kuala Lumpur and Doha. Their codeshare expansion, which adds 34 destinations to the existing 62 codeshare destinations, marked another milestone in the long-standing relationship between the two national carriers and One World partners. In a statement, the airline said their strategic partnership significantly expanded with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding in February. The agreement would benefit travellers who will have access to a much greater combined network and enjoy a seamless travel experience on both airlines with a single ticket. Malaysia Airlines has also announced launching a non-stop service from Kuala Lumpur to Doha from May 25th. That's all for Bizworld today. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thank you for investing your time with us.